Hey, what's up guys? Jacoby from JacobysJourneys.com, and today we're in southern China in Guangxi, and we're going to be checking out a fruit, vegetable, and meat market. So this is just going to be kind of a quick market tour of what it looks like down here in southern China. So again, depending on where you are in China, it's going to vary. So this is just what the markets look like down here in Guangxi, China. So this market is separated in a few different sections. Right now we're in the fruit and vegetable area, and then later we're going to go over to the seafood and meat market. So we're going to get some lettuce here at this stand, and the system they use here is really cool. Each fruit stand or vegetable stand has a scale, and each scale has cameras on it, so it's being monitored by the government or whoever is overseeing this whole operation here. So basically everything that's weighed is on camera, so you can see what's being weighed to make sure that it's accurate. And then when it comes time to pay, you can scan this QR code. So this is using WeChat. So you basically use your phone to scan it, and then you can pay for your fruit and vegetables. So on this side of the market, they have lots of dried goods. So we've got different like sauces, like soy sauce and oils, and then different kinds of seasonings and different stuff to use to flavor the food. So one of the really cool things also about living down in southern China is the amount of fruit and vegetables, and you can get almost anything down here. So right now we're going to get some fresh pineapples, and the pineapples are 3 small pineapples for 10 kwai, and the exchange rate right now I believe is about 6.5 RMB to the US dollar. We got our 3 pineapples, and that's 10 RMB. Now we're looking at the meat area, and behind me is some pork, some pig. You can point out the pieces that you want, and they can weigh it, and they can just cut it up exactly how you want it, or you can buy like a whole piece at once. So here she's got a nice big slab of pork meat. So she's shaving the hair off of the skin right now. So we're down here in Guangxi, it's in southern China. So this is a pretty common style of market here. Right now the weather is just starting to warm up a little bit, so it gets a little bit humid during the summertime, and so if you come to the meat market or the fish market at that time, it gets pretty smelly. So you know, you get used to it once you come here and do it often enough. So right now it's actually not so bad. So this area of the market has something that's really popular in southern China. This is called roast duck, and so this is a really popular dish. So here you can see where they have it hanging up in the windows. Different shops have a little bit different style, different flavors. Another popular dish down here is chicken feet. So we've got chicken feet, we've got some pork, and some other products. So now we're moving from kind of the vegetable and meat market over to the seafood market. So walking through the seafood area, and they have a pretty good selection here of fresh clams, oysters, crabs, I mean pretty much a little bit of everything. They even have cut up salmon for sashimi. They've got a pretty good variety of fish and turtles. It's a pretty common thing to see turtles here in China. And again, these turtles are for eating, these are not for pets. Another pretty common thing when you're in a Chinese market like this is traditional Chinese herbs and different kinds of medicines. So here's the example of some different mushrooms and different roots that they use for traditional Chinese medicine. So coming to markets like this is actually one of my favorite things about living in China. You never really know what you're going to find, and you can actually get pretty good deals. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't. I upload new adventure travel videos every week. And remember, life's about the journey, not just the destination.